Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to allow access to folders and files on your Google Drive to other people. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up your Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your Google account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. As you can see here guys, under suggested, I can see all of my recently opened files. Here I can see all my folders where I can group my files into them and better organize the files. And if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of my files that I have that aren't in any folder. So guys, let's go back to the top of the page and look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see multiple options that you can use for viewing your folders and files. You can see your drive, you can see your shared files right here, your recent files, trash, and so on. So what we want to do is now use this to find the folder that we want to grant access to. I'm going to be using this folder right here guys in my drive, and I'm going to be using this folder and I'm going to give another person access to access this folder. So how do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you have to do guys is go ahead and click the three dots right here next to the name of the folder or file. Clicking on that guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options such as getting a link, adding a shortcut, and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click this share option right here. Clicking on share guys, this will now open up this new tab where you will have multiple options that you can manage such as get general access, people with access, and so on. So what we want to do is go ahead and add the people that we want to give access to right here. I'm going to select an email right here, and after that guys, after adding the person, just click on send and then you will notify them that you want to give them access. You can then select your general access option right here, and you can manage it if you want to anybody with a link to be able to see your folder or only the people that you have invited. After that guys, you can go ahead and click on done. You will successfully grant access to multiple people that you have added in your list, and now they will be able to access your folder. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.